Hi everyone and welcome back to HomeHeadChef. Today we're going to be making Italian sausage sliders. Sliders come in all shapes and sizes. For these ones we're going to be using Italian sausage. They're going to be topped with onions and peppers, provolone cheese, and have a beautiful garlic and basil aioli. They're really simple to make. You can make them on the stovetop or the grill. We're going to be doing them on the grill today, and they make excellent snacks or appetizers for game day. So let's step up to the cutting board and see what we need. To get started, we're gonna work on the aioli, and for that we need 1/4 cup of mayonnaise, a teaspoon of minced garlic, 1/2 teaspoon of chopped basil, some salt and pepper, and a drizzle of olive oil. We're gonna mix up our garlic, our mayonnaise, our basil. We're gonna give it a healthy shake of pepper and salt. Get this mixed up. Add just a splash of olive oil just to thin it out. We don't want much, just like that. We're gonna set this aside. Let's check out what we need for the burgers. For the rest of the sliders, we're going to need about 8 buns, about 1/2 of an onion and pepper diced, a pound of Italian sausage, you can use sweet or hot, some provolone cheese for each burger, and some salt and pepper. Now we're gonna saute up the onions and peppers. Gonna go in a little bit of oil. Get these in. We're gonna cook these up about 3 to 5 minutes or until they're soft and tender. In the meantime, we're gonna step over. We're gonna season up the Italian sausage and we're gonna get it out to the grill. Now for the sliders, we just wanna get enough meat, just a little bit bigger than our buns, because they're gonna shrink down. So we should be able to get about 8 out of this. Form our little patties. That looks good right there. We're gonna season them up with some salt and pepper. Get them out to the grill, and I'll see you out there. Okay, we're gonna get these on the grill. We're gonna give them about 2.5 to 3 minutes on each side. Now we're gonna give these a flip. Beautiful color. Gonna let them go for a few more minutes. Not a few more minutes, about another minute or two, but we wanna check the internal temp, make sure it's safe to eat, and that would be at 145. Then we're gonna throw on the cheese, take them inside and plate them up. Now we're gonna put some provolone cheese on the top of each one. We're gonna toast up our buns, let the cheese melt. Then we're gonna head inside and plate these up. I'll see you there. To assemble these, we're gonna go down with a helping amount of our basil garlic aioli, just like that. One of our sliders. Top with a little bit of our onions and peppers, a little bit more, just like that. Crown it, pick, there you go. Nice little sliders. I'm gonna bust out the rest of these and we'll get a taste. That's our Italian sausage sliders. Let's get a bite. It's super juicy, perfectly cooked. That aioli really shines, but it doesn't overpower. The onions and peppers are there. The back note, the creaminess of the cheese, it's really good. If you like this recipe, you can also check us out on Facebook and Instagram at HomeHeadChef. If you'd like to support our channel and help us continue to make videos, you can check us out on Patreon at HomeHeadChef as well. Thanks for stopping in, and we'll see you next time.